So being relatively new to gardening, I've been trying to experiment with and expose myself to as many things as possible to learn as much as I can, as quickly as I can. And I haven't researched garlic heavily, and it was just something that I figured I would throw in and see what happened and see if I could learn anything from that. So here's the garlic after it's dyed back. I am thinking it's going to be rather scrawny and probably not very good. So here, let's see what the harvest looks like. So I threw these little cloves in, and all right, it's a tiny little thing. This one, scrawny. And after putting a bunch of cloves in, I did do a bit more research to find that, from what I understand, to get a better yield, you want to simulate their cold environment before planting them out. Yeah, they're all real tiny. They got some smell to them. It is kind of like finding a hidden treasure. And I packed these things in way too close, I found out later. So they were competing for resources. So it makes sense that they're as small as they are. I think that might be it. Oh, here we go. Here's another one. Oh, look at that. It's so small. So here's what I've got. It kind of can't see it all because of all the roots. I can pick off some of them. But I just had like one thing of garlic, and I split up all the cloves and just threw them in a pot and didn't do much with this other than that. And I guess this is about what I would have expected. So they grew, but not to an impressive degree. So I've got like a good handful of little garlic. Maybe what I'll do is experiment with planting these again and see if I can get bigger ones. We'll see. But that was an interesting first exposure to attempting to grow garlic. And here we go, after they've been cleaned up. You can kind of tell the scale. Little handful.